Is day trading a scam? Well, not really. The only thing that a lot of people don't understand about day trading is that it actually takes a lot of money to day trade itself. Now, if you're going to be day trading stocks, for example, in order to day trade stocks here in the US and open and close positions and multiple positions every single day within a 24-hour period, you're actually going to need a minimum account balance of $25,000. Now, there are some exceptions. You could always hold over these trades past 24 to 48 hours. That way you don't get breached over that little rule that, you know, our lovely government has. But that's only for stocks. You could also day trade options when it comes to the stock market. Now, it's not a must do. It's something that I don't personally recommend unless you actually understand all the Greeks, and the Greeks are your delta, theta, gamma, multiple other things that it's way too long and very complicated for me to explain for you guys. And it's a very in-depth video that I'd have to make on that. If you guys are interested in some of that content, leave it down in the comments and I'll check it out and I'll see if I make a video on that. Now, besides day trading stocks, you also have Forex, right? Forex, you could day trade relatively cheap or low cost when it comes to being able to open and close positions every single day. It all depends on your personal trading style. Now, with your trading style, you're going to realize that you're either going to be a scalper, a swing trader, an intraday trader, and that's pretty much it. Now, once you realize whether you're a scalper or intraday trader or swing trader, you're going to see that if you're a scalper, you're in and out of the market within a couple hours. Swing trader, you're in the market between 1 to 5 days or even longer, weeks, months at end. Depends on what you're comfortable with and what your strategy entails. And intraday trader is basically just hold a trade over day to the next day, and that's about it. But the cost entry barrier right there is pretty cheap, because you could always just put $100 on a Forex broker account and actually trade that, and you could day trade perfectly fine. Now, with that said, $100 isn't really going to get you very far when it comes to day trading, just due to the fact that it's a percentage game, right? So let's say you aim for 5% in a day, which is really, really good, right? Because 5% a day, 5 times 5, you know, that's going to add up to a nice amount a week. Plus, you have 4 other weeks in a month, 3 other weeks in a month. Now, being realistic, let's say you go for 10% a week, which is very, very high, but nonetheless, 10% of $100, that's $10 right there. It's not really going to get you far. Now, I know I keep making a bunch of videos about prop firms, but it's just because I recommend them so much, because you could take that $100 that you were only going to be able to make $10 on, if you made 10%, and buy yourself a 10K account. Now, 10% of a 10K account of a prop firm is $1,000. So you could actually make $1,000 in a week with $100 rather than doing a live fund with your $100 and only making $10. That's going to sound way more appealing, and it's way more obtainable. Now, by me saying this, don't think that you're going to learn this skill set overnight or even just watching a couple YouTube videos. It's going to take a lot of time for you to actually build up the discipline and the understanding of how to properly trade, how to have proper risk management, how to make sure you're in at the right entries, how to make sure you exit properly, so on and so forth. It's a bunch of other variables that you do have to worry about, but nonetheless, it's very possible. Day trading is not a scam. It's only a scam if you're, you know, overpaying someone to teach you how to trade, or, well, wouldn't ever say that you could overpay for someone. But if you're just not going to stick to it, then you're going to scam yourself out of the money. If you say, hey, I'm going to spend 1 week trying to learn day trading, then I'm going to go on a live account or take a prop firm account and see how I do, and it essentially should work. Well, that's not the truth. You have to understand that it takes people months, years, even decades even, to get to the level that they get to when it comes to properly day trading and being very profitable. A lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people want instant gratification, and that's just not how life works. You have to build up to every single accomplishment that you're going to achieve in life. You're not going to just wake up the next day and make 5, 10K. It doesn't work like that. Day trading is very achievable, but with that said, it takes a lot of time and dedication. If you don't have the time or the dedication to get into it, just like any other career path or any other hobby or whatever you want to call it, or side hustle, it's not going to work. You're not going to do very well. So you have to be very, very serious about it and put forth all the effort that's needed in order for you to actually succeed and make money, right? Because if you don't make any money, you're going to say it's a scam, you're going to say it didn't work. But at the end of the day, the reason it didn't work was because you didn't put in the work. No one else. Yes, you can pay for a course. Yes, you can pay for whoever to mentor you. But guess what? You know, mentors could only do so much for you. You actually have to take action. They can give you the blueprint, the $500 million blueprint to follow step by step. And if you don't take the actions, it's not going to get you anywhere. It's going to be a pointless waste of time and money, and you're going to end up calling it a scam and have a sour taste in your mouth about it all. Now, I hope that helps you understand differentiating between day trading being a scam or actually being real, not being fugazi. Again, you have a countless list of people that actually day trade and make really good money, and they're all over social media. Now, some are fake, but a lot of them, not a lot of them, but half of them might be real, half of them might be fake, but it's very achievable and very obtainable as long as you put in the work yourself and actually be serious about it. Hey guys, sorry for interrupting your video, but I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys check the link in the description, I do have a private little link right there for you guys to have direct access to me through Telegram. It's not a bot, it's not some computerized assistant or anything. It's my personal Telegram link to where you can send me messages on any questions you guys have or other topics you guys want to talk about, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you guys. I'll try to respond to as many as you as possible. If I don't respond at the same time, just give me a couple minutes or an hour and I'll get to you accordingly. Now, also in the link in the description, I do have all the free Telegram, the Signals chat. I do have the website where I offer all the services, and I also have a direct link to the free Forex and stock market coursework as well as crypto coursework. Now back to the vlog or video. Hope you guys like the content, and leave some comments in the description on any new content ideas or video ideas you guys want me to do. Hope you guys enjoyed.